Good morning, Honorable Management, all the heads, teachers and dear students. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy National Sports Day and heartiest congratulations to our sports department teachers and students who have really made our school proud by bringing laurels to the school. As just now we have seen the felicitation of students who have participated in the CBSE regional games last year. We had Sairaj Deshmukh and Atharva Dhakne. This year also they will be participating in the CBSE regional games. We had Udip Shastri who had made it to the divisional level. We also had Akshari Mandlik as well as Sarve Shiklare who is the budding gymnast. So these students have really made our school and the parents proud by achieving excellence in the sports which they are representing. And I must congratulate the sports department HOD, Dr. Abhijit Deshmukh sir, and all the sports teachers who are really taking a lot of efforts to bring the excellence of the students in different games by making you all participate in the various inter-school competitions, district level competitions, as well as the regional level games which are held by CBSE. That is indeed a great achievement for the students, and we also thank the school management for giving the support and cooperation which is needed to get the best out of the children by providing the necessary infrastructure as well as the material, the sports equipment which are required to conduct the different games. As you all know that this year for standard 1st to 4th, we have also introduced the sports hobby periods. They are also called as sports club, in which the students are taught different games. Each class is getting exposure to around 10 to 12 games in which the students are trained, and as they grow in the higher classes, they'll be getting the different sports hobbies of particular game. So give a big round of applause for the school management who is really keen on developing the students in different sports. We have also introduced gymnastics this year. Skating also is going on for the lower classes, 1st to 4th. We also have karate for standard 1st to 4th students. And looking at the scenario, we are also going to begin the self-defense techniques. Just now you have seen the karate demo of the students of 9th standard and 10th standard who have performed the techniques which are needed for self-defense, especially the girls. So each and every student in the school will be trained in this self-defense activity which we have already started. We have started with the primary classes, it is going on, and very soon every class will be getting one period where the self-defense techniques will be taught to all the students. So it is very necessary at this moment to train ourselves in self-defense activities. Okay, so heartiest congratulations to you all, and heartiest congratulations to the students who have given excellent demo, and wish you all a happy National Sports Day, and thank you and have a good day.